This was called the rocker bar. And it's gonna go into this side of Oregon, 5.3. Right here. Okay, fit in like this here. I don't have a anything to hold this here. Camera, so I'm gonna show you like this. And it's got a hole in there, but we're gonna put some in there. I'm gonna show you that as well. And this is the insert. It's the fastener for the rocker bar. Okay, so we got to put it to where it'll stick in there and hold it rocker bar. I'm having to pause it, y'all, because I'm going to work on it and show you how to put this thing together. Or as we learn how to put this thing together. Okay, now we're going to attach the connecting rod, which is this rod. Looks like that. Alright. And we'll connect it to this rocker bar. Okay. One thing I found out is Oregon, they say where to put it, but we should have put that on before we put this other piece, that the rocker bar on there, because the way it's got it is the rocker bar goes in from the inside. I mean attached to connecting rod, the rod goes from the inside. So we're gonna take that rocker bar off. Hopefully you won't have to go through that if you watch the video, a little bit of it anyway. And yeah, let's fix that. Well, let's make sure that's right. So as it come to find out, Oregon on point. That was me. Cause when you put that in there, and when you put that bottom piece into that rocker bar and the insert, the fastener, then you still can turn it. It still got room to turn. Look, it still turns. Okay, so then only thing you gotta do is turn it, and then put the connecting rod in there. Alright, but make sure you put the smaller one in at the bottom. The longer end goes for the top. Alright. Now we're finna put the rocker bar fixer on. So it's gonna go on like this. Alright. And it's gonna go on to the rocker bar. It's gonna go on to the rocker bar like this. Put it on there. Put it through there. Alright. Then push it on there, rock on there. You unloosen this, your top part where you're gonna do your pumping. Unloosen that so where you can pull it up, you can adjust your pump. Alright. Working extra hard trying to keep the little shit they got. Ass anyone did it. How did they make it in there? Let's see what else we're finna do. Okay, y'all, that's how that's supposed to be right there, right? You put it in there, you put the pin and the other pin that's left, put that pin in there, and then you put this on, but don't fasten it. Put the pin in there and then adjust it to where, and then push it on there to the connect to the rocker on, right? Then you get your hose. That's what your hose look like. Then it's the end of this the sprayer. Then connect it here. Alright, hold on. So look what it says. Before attaching the wand number 13 to the trigger number 14, make sure the O-ring number 16 and 2 are seated correctly. So that's what we finna do. So let's do that there. And then look, this is how you could tell these numbers like this here. Find 16. Find 16, 2. There you go. Now, you need to put the thing together, you know, step at a time. All right, hold on. Okay, now look. These here got washers in them. What you do is slide them down to where they click into place. Right here, right? I'm gonna show you this one that hasn't been done yet. You click them down into there. So you're gonna you take this here, take this in right here, and push it, and then you'll feel it little click, and it won't let it go. Okay, it's in there. All right. That was a little gentler than I thought, but okay. Hold on. And then connect it to the end of your sprayer. All right, it's our next step. And then we right here, attach the wand. Okay, attach the wand to the end. All right, and this one right here. Okay, see how I got that little end to it. All right. Okay, now we gonna put these here straps on here. Now we're gonna connect the straps. So now we get these jokers out of here. Alright, now you see these gonna go, they like this, but now we gotta find the connection for them. Okay, so where you at? Alright, look like these rascals right here along the side. Look like they go like this right here. Let me I want to get it. I don't want it to be all wrinkled up and everything. So far, yeah, it look like that's where they supposed to go. All right. One of them was already in there anyway. One of them was in there already anyway, so yeah. All right, look like we got the thing put together. All right, y'all. Yeah, take care, and hopefully this helps you out. Talk to y'all later. Take care. Let's take care.